off.
Ground, good day.
Good day, go ahead.
At parking. Information. Tango, read to copy.
You are cleared to Lima, Echo, Mike, Delta, Via, Alpha, November, Echo, Kilo 1, Alpha, 4,000 feet. Contact when ready to start.
Cleared to Lima, Echo, Mike, Delta, via Alpha, November, Echo, Kilo 1, Alpha, 4,000 feet. When ready to start.
Redback is correct. Request taxi. Foxtrot. Charlie 014. 1. 2. Taxi to holding point runway 18.
Request taxi. Bravo, uniform, Charlie 01478. Taxi to holding point runway 18. Request taxi. Hotel Yankee 00232. Taxi to holding point runway 18.
Request taxi. Lima Hotel 71387. Taxi to holding point runway 18.
Request taxi. Sierra Quebec 29129. Taxi to holding point runway 18.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. If you haven't already done so, please stow your carry-on luggage underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt, and also make sure your seat back and folding trays are in their full upright position. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, please read carefully the special instructions card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in the event of an emergency, please ask a flight attendant to reseat you. We remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is prohibited on the entire aircraft, including the lavatories. Tampering with, disabling or destroying the lavatory smoke detectors is prohibited by law. If you have any questions about our flight today, please don't hesitate to ask one of our flight attendants. Thank you.
Lima Hotel 00859. Ground. Landed at 45. Report runway.
Ground. Request pushback.
Pushback approved at own discretion.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your chief flight attendant. On behalf of our captain and the entire crew, welcome aboard. At this time, make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright position and that your seat belt is correctly fastened. Also, your portable electronic devices must be set to airplane mode until an announcement is made upon arrival. Thank you.
Lima Hotel 00941. Roger. Good day.
Flaps. Spoilers. Flaps.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the crew we request your full attention as the flight attendants demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Take a minute to locate the exit closest to you. Note that the nearest exit may be behind you. Count the number of rows to this exit. Should the cabin experience sudden pressure loss, stay calm and listen for instructions from the cabin crew. Oxygen masks will drop down from above your seat. Place the mask over your mouth and nose, like this. Pull the strap to tighten it. If you are traveling with children, make sure that your own mask is on first before helping your children. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing and evacuation, leave your carry-on items behind. Life rafts are located below your seats and emergency lighting will lead you to your closest exit and slide. We ask that you make sure that all carry-on luggage is stowed away safely during the flight. While we wait for takeoff, please take a moment to review the safety data card in the seat pocket in front of you.
Ground. Request taxi.
Taxi to holding point runway 18.
Roger. Taxi to holding point runway 18.
Lima Hotel 00801 ground.
Holding point runway 18.
Contact tower on 136.500.
Roger. Contact tower on 136.500.
Delta Echo 57573 ground. Landed at 53. Report runway vacated. Ground. Delta Echo 57573 runway vacated.
Ground. Request start up. Tower. Good day. Holding point runway 18. Ready for departure.
Wind 053 degrees 1 knots. Clear for takeoff runway 18. Report leaving 3,000 feet.
Clear for takeoff runway 18. Call you back passing 3,000 feet.
Full established runway 07 left. Charlie Lima 01361 wind 049 degrees 1 knots. Clear to land runway 07 left. Clear to land runway 07 left.
$80 knots. V1. Rotate. Positive rate. Gear up.
Left. Alpha 5075 wind 05 degrees 4 knots. Clear to land runway 07 left.
Airline 56, contact radar 118.500. Contact radar 118.500.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have not yet reached the gate. Please remain seated until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Thank you.
India Bravo 03403 ground. Landed at 10. Report runway vacated. Ground. India Bravo 03403 runway vacated. Request taxi to gate. India Bravo 03403 continue taxi to gate. Wilco. 0 0 0 0 1 3